Having trouble with your docking station? Let's quickly determine if it's functioning. We'll cover visual checks, device connectivity, and basic troubleshooting to get you up and running fast. We will go through tests that typically take 5 to 15 minutes and resolve 70% of problems without professional help. We'll make it easy for you. First, plug the docking station into a power source and your laptop. Look for an indicator light, usually an LED. A solid green light typically means it's powered on. If there's no light, try a different cable or outlet. Faulty power supplies account for 30% of docking station issues. Next, connect a monitor using an HDMI or DisplayPort cable. Go to your laptop's display settings and extend or mirror your screen. If there's no output, double-check the cable and ensure your laptop supports multiple displays and that the BIOS supports it. This is a common issue, so don't worry if it happens. To test peripheral functionality, plug in a USB device such as a mouse or keyboard. Check if your computer recognizes it in Device Manager on Windows or System Report on macOS. Test audio by plugging in a headset. If the device isn't recognized, it could indicate a port issue. Run built-in troubleshooting tools like Windows Troubleshooter or macOS Console to check for error logs. These tools can often identify common problems and suggest solutions automatically. They are your first line of defense. Outdated drivers can cause up to 25% of docking station failures. Use the manufacturer's app like Dell Support Assist or Lenovo Vantage to update your drivers. Keeping your drivers current is crucial for optimal performance and stability. For advanced users, tools like USB to View can inspect port status. For Thunderbolt docks, install Intel's Thunderbolt software for diagnostics. Watch out for intermittent connections, overheating, check the vents, or unsupported resolutions, e.g. trying to run 8K on an older dock. To recap, always start with the basics: power, connections, and drivers. If problems persist, try resetting the dock by unplugging it for 30 seconds. Remember to check manufacturer manuals for specific guidance. By following these steps, you can quickly diagnose and resolve most docking station issues, improving your productivity and workflow.